And then we've got some custom fit Dr. Scholl's that are pretty freaking dirty. I mean, what are your people stealing from you and then putting this junk back in the box? And we have a dirty heart cookie cutter. And we have a filthy, dirty bird thing. Come on, focus in on that. Get how dirty it is. I mean, this thing looks like it's been pulled out of some grandma's hoard. Why am I paying for this? I mean, literally, I could go next door and go through people's garbage and get this kind of stuff. I don't go through people's garbage. Well, I guess now I do. We have a total blackout curtain. Might be new. Probably is new. It's getting old. Said original was 50, so it's down to 25 now. I tell you what, I'll take an additional 5 off if you buy it right now. Then we have a Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I have no idea what this is worth. Oh, it says 60 bucks up here. A lot of this stuff is Bed Bath & Beyond, for the record. But I'm pretty disappointed with this case. The main thing seems to be in there. We'll give it a shot. We'll try it out. Hopefully this one's working great, because we'll need this and every other scrap of dime that we can get out of this to even make close to our money back. Which brings me to the big ticket item. I'm just gonna get it out of the way, guys. The big ticket item. This is the only big ticket item I can see left in the box, per se. It is a very, very rough shaped box microwave oven by Sunbeam. So, good signs. The case itself is in really rough shape. Yet, when I open it up, the rotation stand is still where it belongs. That's a really good sign. And mind you, what does one of these microwaves go for? Not a ton of money these days, right?
Nope, it's a Sunbeam.
So, I mean, honestly, it looks in decent shape. We'll have to give that a good, thorough testing. It looks like it's mostly box damage in this particular instance. But, you know, that's a medium-sized microwave from Sunbeam. So we're probably only going to make 50 bucks off of it. And this case is just So another bag of price, little coins. What'd you think of that microwave? That microwave may be worth a decent chunk of change, like 40 bucks for us, but we spent 600 on this pallet, and I'm looking at all of it, and I don't know where we're gonna get a dime of that back. I mean, we're not gonna, we're just gonna mitigate losses at this point. Okay, so another bag of coins, you know, like fake coins for you did a good job, I was caught being good, etc. Okay. And then we have a dining room chair cover. It is autumn vine colored. No, autumn vine pattern, and it is ivory. And the box is open, of course. So I'll have to look at the side here to tell whether it's in good shape. So we have a Y peeler. Okay. Pretty good. And then we have a simple human open thing of trash bags. Because that's not just junk. Give me an open thing of trash bags.
Hey YouTube friends, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this pallet. Eric is rightfully upset. We've had bulk salvage pallets, which we equal as every single item is going to be garbage. Like, we anticipate it to all be broken. And they were like 100 times nicer than this one here. So, rightfully upset. We'll see what happens with that. But I've got a few more items that I'd like to show you.
Please.
Hello YouTube friends, I'm going to go ahead and finish things off. Eric is rightfully upset. We have gotten bulk salvage pallets that were 100 times nicer than this Quicklotz, ready to sell, general merchandise, average set, what was it? $25 is supposed to be the minimum retail selling price. Nope. And like, so much broken stuff and everything's just so dirty. I'm not a neat freak, but come on. It was dirty. And I honestly think that somebody was picking through this box before it came to us, because we found a set of we found keys in there and an open box knife. Anywho's, just got a few more things left, so we're gonna go ahead and get into those. This is actually part of that, or matching that other towel that we got, which is a really cute set, but unfortunately, probably because it was loose in there with a bunch of broken glass and sharp stuff, the stitching is messed up here, and there's a really bad snag in this otherwise nice bathroom towel, which matched the other one. And when I get pairs of things and multiples and sets, it's easier for me to sell as a bundle. I am not quite sure what this is. It's large and in charge. No packaging on it. I think it might be a giant curtain. One large blackout curtain. Taupe. Shimmery. And I'm sure this is a blackout curtain because the back is this blackout curtain material. Alrighty. Sure, that's 96 inches. There we go. Okay. Oh, this is heavy. Alright, bloopers reel. Alright, here guys, I am a strong, independent lady. This is a true cool mattress topper with serene foam. Not angry foam, serene foam. So maybe I'll throw this bad boy on the bed and lay down on it after opening up my Quicklotz dirty boxes. But this is a king size, so, and it's got some comfort technology. So I'm excited about that. The box is pretty messed up, so I'm going to go ahead and set this down and take a look at it. Alright, I got this big old, I've got this big old mattress pad opened up. I'm going to try and pick it up for you guys to see. I want you to look at this side of the box towards the center on the edge. There's a sun spot on the actual mattress pad. This flap needs to go down. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the screen, but it's right around here. And this thing's giant, but otherwise it doesn't, it's been opened, it's been unwrapped and unfolded and repackaged by a non-professional. So we're gonna have to look it over, but it doesn't stink and it doesn't look in bad shape, and it's got a holder mattress cover or something. So we'll look into it some more.
Click here or click here. And of course, click here to subscribe.